Welcome back, my soul tribe, to my channel Soul Space. I am Ankita, and on this space, I love to discuss with you divine subjects like spirituality, manifestation, cosmic laws, more from an application point of view. In my earlier videos, we discussed about how every matter vibrates in this universe, and hence, everything is connected. You know, our brain finds it very difficult to understand these concepts because, firstly, we have been conditioned into living a result-driven life, and that definitely narrows our vision to that which can be seen. When we experience something godly, we feel baffled. Our brain cannot apply its logic to it. Secondly, universe is a high vibration phenomenon. It can be understood better only when you experience it. And for us to experience this high vibration phenomena, our job in this energetic resonance is to find that connection and hold on to it longer to bring those experiences to us. And although I will be discussing more on how we do it, I want to take you back to this expression of how we are a soul. And that one of the soul's quality is that of being a neutral observer. As we step further to understand the soul, we cannot understand it without exploring this closely guarded secret of our ancestors, which is our etheric body and our spiritual energy. I call it closely guarded because although it was in our scriptures, we have forgotten about it. Let's understand this because this is where the spiritual essence of a human being lies. Every human being is surrounded and interpenetrated by a luminous energy body called the bioplasmic body or inner aura, which extends beyond our physical body by 4 to 5 inches. Bio is life, and plasma refers to the fourth state of matter, which is ionized gas or gas with positive and negative charged particles. This is not the same as blood plasma. This means every person's living energy body is made up of invisible, subtle matter, which is called the etheric matter. Just as our visible physical body has blood vessels for the blood to flow, our energy body has fine invisible channels or meridians, several major energy channels and around 3,000 minor ones. Through these channels flows our spiritual energy, which is called as our life force. In India, it was called as prana, in China as chi or ki, in Greek as pneuma, in Polynesian as mana, and in Hebrew as ruah, which means breath of life, which nourishes and invigorates the whole body. This spiritual energy is different from the energy that we have from eating nutritious food and healthy workouts. This is the energy of our spirit that flows from the divine and hence our connection with the universe. In addition to the energy channels, meridians, and inner aura, our energy body has health rays, which projects perpendicular from the surface of our visible physical body. Beyond the health rays, our energy body continues to extend about 1 meter away like an inverted egg, which is our outer aura. So, the more we enhance this energy, the cleaner our aura becomes and stronger our connection gets with the universe. How? Because this outer aura keeps extending, bringing in useful information to the person who has a healthy inner aura, who has a loving and kind state of being, who maintains a positive high vibration and nurtures this connection with spiritual practices. If you would love to know or have more understanding of the energy body and chakras, I would highly recommend you to go through the books of Grandmaster Choe Kok Sui, who has devoted many years of his study on life energy or prana and how it could be harnessed in healing absolutely any physical ailments. And if you are marveled by his books and interested in his healing modalities, which I am sure you would absolutely want to, then consider checking out the Institute for Inner Studies, which was founded by Master and is run as a pranic healing foundation across the globe. I will definitely attach the link to this institute's webpage in my description for your eyes only. So now that you know scientifically that we have an energy body and every matter has an energy body, because remember, we all vibrate. Since our spirit has materialized in the human body, we have chakras and many meridians. What's valuable to know here is about our etheric connection with everything in the universe. And the best part is, you can experience it anytime you want to. How? Now let me explain that to you in my further videos. I hope you guys found this video helpful and useful. Let me know in the comments section. And yes, it is my objective to bring you healthy perspectives and not just information. That I would love you to do your own research, because hey, your perspective is as valuable as mine. Have a great day, everyone. I love you all. Bye-bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.